Picture this. You sit down at your desk at 9 a.m., and by 1 p.m., you've finished everything on your to-do list. Emails, done. Meetings, summarized. Reports, written. Videos, edited. And the best part, you didn't even have to rush. That's not a dream anymore. It's exactly what AI tools can do for you. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can literally cut your workday in half. If you've ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because tool number 5 can automate tasks you didn't even know could be automated. Tool 1. Notion AI. Let's start with Notion AI. We all know how much time gets wasted just trying to stay organized. Endless sticky notes, scattered Google Docs, and messy to-do lists. Here's where Notion AI steps in. You can dump in meeting notes, and in seconds, it creates a clear summary with action steps. Or let's say you're starting a new project. Instead of staring at a blank page, Notion AI can generate an outline, tasks, and even deadlines for you. Think about it. Planning a project normally takes 1 to 2 hours of brainstorming. But with Notion AI, it's 5 minutes. That's over 7 hours saved per week if you plan daily. It's like hiring a project manager, but for free. Tool 2. Grammarly. Next up is Grammarly AI. Most people think Grammarly only fixes typos, but now it's like a full writing assistant. Imagine you need to send a professional email, but you're not sure how to phrase it. Grammarly can rewrite your draft in seconds with the right tone. If you're writing a long report, it suggests clearer structures and removes repetitive sentences. For example, say you write 10 emails a day, and each one takes 10 minutes. That's almost 2 hours daily. With Grammarly AI, those same emails take 3 minutes each. That's more than an hour saved every single day. The more you write, the more time you save. Tool 3. Otter.ai. Now, let's talk about meetings, the number one time killer. Enter Otter.ai. This tool listens to your meeting, transcribes everything, and then gives you a summary with the most important action points. No more scribbling notes, no more asking, "Wait, what did she just say?" Imagine finishing a 1-hour meeting and instantly having a 1-page summary with the 3 things you actually need to do. For students, it works the same way. Record your lectures, and Otter will summarize them for you. If you're in 5 meetings a week, and Otter saves you just 20 minutes of note-taking each time, that's 100 minutes saved. Almost 2 hours back in your week without lifting a finger. Tool 4. Descript. Fourth, we've got Descript. If you create any kind of content, YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, presentations, you know how much time editing eats up. Normally, you have to cut clips, delete mistakes, adjust audio manually. It's endless. With Descript, you just edit text. If you delete a word in the transcript, the video or audio deletes that part too. It also removes filler words like and with 1 click. And if you mess up a sentence, you can clone your own voice and just retype the correction. Here's a real example. A YouTuber I know said editing used to take him 5 hours per video. With Descript, he does the same in 40 minutes. That's almost a full workday saved, every single week. If content is part of your business, this tool isn't optional. It's a lifesaver. Tool 5. Zapier plus AI integration. And finally, the real-time bender. Zapier with AI. Think of Zapier as the glue between all your apps. It connects Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Trello, and hundreds more. But now, with AI integration, it doesn't just connect apps. It makes decisions for you. Example: every time a client emails you an invoice, Zapier can automatically extract the details, put them in your accounting sheet, and even generate a payment reminder. Or maybe you're a content creator. Zapier can take your new YouTube video, post it on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook instantly. This isn't just saving minutes. It's saving entire processes. Imagine never doing repetitive admin again. Zapier basically gives you a digital employee that works 24/7, never complains, and never needs coffee breaks. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that can literally cut your workday in half. If you want to get more done in less time, these tools are your secret weapon. Which one would help you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Remember, work smarter, not harder. And I'll see you in the next video.